Alright, well, it's been a while since my last update. Everything is working good. Working as good or better than I thought. So here it is when it's all up on the wall. I haven't been on, I don't know, in probably a month, something like that, 6 weeks, that it's been there, and been functioning really good, and it makes it real easy to get to the stuff that I need to get to. All these and any of the buttons that I need to access. In fact, let's see if we can get in there. There we go. It's 7 volts. We're not charging very high today. There's the amount of kilowatts that we've acquired so far. Charging 0.08 of an amp. That's 45 watts. Because we're full. And full and operational. That's the way I like it. So, inverter's doing really good. Of course, it reads a bit different and upside down. Got my little light hanging up there, meter, all the tools that I need to work on it when I need to, for maintenance and whatnot. The cabling still looks pretty wild, but the reason why is because, as you can see, it's on the wall. So I have things like this taped and whatnot, so that if someone comes by it and gets a hold of a cable for some reason, that they just won't go anywhere. That's pretty much the only reason it looks that way. I didn't want to use the spare cable lengths just to go up and around, which is what I will do probably eventually, but I wanted to keep short runs. This patch here that you see taped is actually a temperature sensor that, again, as you guys know, I use everything that I have from previous projects. This is the water sensor from when I used to do the PC cooling. And as you can see, let's see if we get the light right on it. Yeah, so the batteries are at a good temperature. If they get down to, let's see if I can get that better. If they get down to 32, I don't like to try to charge or anything like that. So there'll be a time. So far they haven't dropped below 50 out here in the garage, but there will be a time when, during the coldest part of the winter probably, that it will be discontinued for a while. We'll see what the wall temperature actually stays at. If that happens, I'll do some strip downs at that point and maybe do a few things, add a couple of things and whatnot. But there it is.